Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It will surely help our channel. Happy reading! Hi everyone, so it's been a long time. Now we're going to read My Wife, chapter 16. Let's read. The Go residence. Ridiculous. Go Zhao separated from our family and yet you still ask for financial support? Master Go. Liu Lang needs to attend school. You cannot ask him for money either. Ay, alam mo naman yan siya. Mukhang pera talaga yung wife mo. What kind of accomplishment can a cripple achieve? Why not give the money to Dashun instead? If Dashun becomes successful in the future, he will definitely take care of him. Napaka-twisted mind talaga ng tong babaeng to. Bam! Enough with the nonsense. Tama. During this period, you and the first and the second wife are not allowed to cause trouble for Gu Xiao. I'm too old to afford to lose face. The game. Why does it have to be Xiao Liu Lang? That kind of disabled, academically inferior scum. What qualifies him to be Mr. President's closed-door disciple? Magbuot man ka. Wait, Mr. President also praised my essay that day. Taka lang ka, guy. Imaginative lang ka. It was after he saw Mr. President that Mr. President suddenly ignored me. Brushed past. It must have been him. Taka lang jud ka. Basta ganyan talaga naman. Mga evil intents will always think something bad to others. What did Yulang arrange or do in front of Mr. President that made him dislike me? Otherwise, why would Mr. President choose such academic failure like him, who repeatedly ranks at the bottom in exams? May reason kasi matalino naman kasi talaga yan siya. He seems honest and trustworthy. I didn't expect him to be so cunning and malicious behind the scenes, using such underhanded tactics to snatch away what's mine. Uy, wala man talagang sayo at the first place. Nang agaw ka nga lang, diba? Si Dashun nga dapat nandyan, diba? Xiao Liu Lang, you just wait. I will make sure that you'll never look smug again. Nagano nga yung posisyon ni Dashun. Kapal ng mukha mo, hindi ka naman nakapasa sana. Achoo! Diba ang cute-cute nila? Ito mo yan, yung ilaw nila before is just candlelight. Ngayon, di na tayo nabubuhay pag wala. I didn't think that patching up clothes would take so long. Let's look at the pretty boy to relax for a bit. Are you done? Let me check. Alright. Nagtatahi siya. Tingnan natin kung paano niya tinahi yung damit. Nagulat. These stitches are so bad that it's like a centipede crawling on the outside. Centipede crawling on the outside. Ang pogi talaga itong lalaking to. Too bad he was crippled, but I know, mapapagaling din siya niyan. Ng ating female lead. Let me help. Nagpapakiramdaman pa lang yan silang dalawa. Gorgeous and kind-hearted. Thanks. Why are all of the stitches on the clothing visible on the outside? It's just a habit. Palusot mo. Nuts, I accidentally sewed the clothing, as if it were a saturated patient, and now all of the stitches are facing the wrong way. Saturated patients. Ginawa niya pang pasyente yung mga damit. You don't have to be nervous. I will still wear the clothes. You don't have to be nervous. I will still wear the clothes. Okay. Right, after all, the clothes have already been sewn. Salamat ka, napaka-ano ng asawa mo. Ang tawag yan? Understanding. Natutulog na naman ang ating female lead. Diba? Sleeping. Ay, may dreams na naman siya for the future. Ano kayang connection nila no, ng asawa niya tapos yung mga dreams niya? At that time, I only saw him go upstairs to the second floor of the study. There was no one else. Ito talagang pinsan niya to, no? Ay, pinsan niya ba to? Kapatid. Parang kapatid niya to, di ba? Na-interrogate na namin yung asawa niya. Liu Lang, was he solving a case? We are going to escort the thief to the government office. Please check whether any official money or letters are missing. Yes. Great, it looks like the real culprit has been found. Now, he's going home. Pero snowy. Yeah. Umuwi pa rin siya kahit lakas ng snow. Oh no, na-crack. Oh my gosh, mahuhulog siya sa bangin. Thump. Oh no. Nahulog talaga siya. May dugo. Oh my gosh, yung face niya. Liu Lang! Nagising na siya sa dream niya. Diba yung mga dreams niya in the future are tawag niya na. Ano nga yan? Parang premonition. Oh my gosh, mangyayari ba talaga lahat ng yan? Unexpectedly, it's related to him again. Oo nga, no, lahat ng dreams mo, related lahat kay Liu Lang. What kind of bad luck he has? Is he really that unlucky? Unlucky pa na ingon. Chirp, 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 chirp. Daming birds. This time, it's his pretty face that gets injured. No, that's not okay. Absolutely not. If it weren't for Gu Dashan's false testimony, my hubby wouldn't have delayed his return to the village in order to clear his name. As a result, he wouldn't have had an accident in heavy snow and ruin his handsome face. Handsome talaga. Talaga nawala yung handsome talaga, no? Since he insists on picking a fight, I'll take this opportunity to give them a good dressing down. Why are you all so here, sis? It's going to snow today, so wear your coat. Thank you. Napaka-ano niya, tawag yan? Yung, basta, magaling na asawa. I made a few meat buns for you to eat it. I have something to do at the market today, so I'm going with you. Pasumangil na, ano lang niya, alibay na lang niya yung pupunta sa market. Sis, are you actually my birth mother? My mother doesn't even let me eat meat buns. Paano naman kasi puro ka lang laro? Para kang ikakilala ko, pangalan Bri, puro laro. Stop being a bootlicker. Go to school with your brother-in-law. What are you going to do at the market, sis? It's the matter of adults. Ano man, wag ka na magtanong. Miss Go, come in. Rejuvenation Hall. Ano ba yung rejuvenation? Parang hospital sa atin. I'm curious as to why Miss Go comes to visit me today. Is there something you need? It's nothing serious. I just would like you to go to the study. Anong gagawin sa study? And help me arrange a meeting with someone. Ay, maniisip ka na naman, no? Siguro, idadamay ito si Daan. Pangalan ng kapatid niya. Laging masama ang loob kay Liu Lang. Kaya feeling niya he's the perfect one. Mas magaling siya kay Liu Lang. Not knowing that Liu Lang is a genius guy who knows lots of things. Anyway, this is the end of the chapter. We'll see you in the next one. But before that, please don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Thank you so much. Bye. Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye!